In this video, I'm going to talk about untapped traffic sources for you to promote Clickbank and affiliate offers. So you could see that these are also traffic sources that people are using to crush it online. It's not just a known traffic sources like Google, Facebook, Bing. I'm 100% sure most of these traffic sources you have never heard of. So I'm just going to go through the list of these traffic sources so you could start using it to make affiliate commissions and promote Clickbank offers. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, then please smash the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. I'm here to help you. My goal is to help you generate multiple 5 and 6 figures online. I have helped thousands of people from all over the world. So if you want to watch my videos in future and you want to get notified, then please smash the subscribe button, click the notification bell. If you have any questions, leave a comment for me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, add this video to your favorites. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, how to promote affiliate offers online, then there's going to be a link in the description below this video for you to check out. Make sure you check that link below this video in the description, and you will get the super affiliate training, and you will see exactly how some of the systems I am using to generate multiple 6 and 7 figures online. Okay, so let's just dive into this. This video is all about traffic sources, untapped Clickbank traffic sources that you could use to promote Clickbank offers. So the first traffic source right now I have on the screen is called 50onred.com. Okay, now they have changed the layout, they have changed the design, and also they have changed the way they do business. 50onred is a very great traffic source. It's a quite old traffic source, but people are using this traffic source to publish and for advertising purposes. So you could come here, you could read about the traffic source, how it all works, and if you want to create a campaign, you could also do that by going to the for advertisers section and read what they have to offer to you. Okay, the second traffic source, which is very popular, is called BuySellAds.com. Now, BuySellAds.com is a media buy traffic source. Basically, you've probably seen, if you go to a website like, let's just go to this website here. Okay, so if you go to a website like this, sometimes you get to see these banners right on the side. All right, so these banners that you see on the side, these banners are like media buy. Okay, some of them are native ads, but some of them are media buy. So it's a media buy. This is a media buy traffic source, BuySellAds. It's a very, very great traffic source, and it has so many websites that gets over 13 million visitors a month. So you could have your banner placed on these traffic networks for a very, very low price. Okay, let's just go to one of the websites down here and let's see if I could find something. Advertisers. Okay, they have also changed their layout, but you could come here and you could register an account with them. They have to get in touch with them. Otherwise, before it wasn't like that. It was simple. You just create an account and you start advertising. So it's a very great network to place media by. So you go through the websites. So if you find any website, any network related to make money online, you could place a banner or Clickbank offer banner, and then you could start promoting. Now remember, just one more side note to this: whenever you decide to use any kind of traffic sources, paid, free, make sure you have tracking in place, because if you don't have tracking in place, you're not gonna able to scale your business. Okay, so this is another great traffic source, BuySellAds. Another traffic source is Advertise.com. Okay, Advertise.com has been used by thousands and thousands of people. Look at this. They have so far delivered 8.5 million clicks, 605,000 conversions. Now, these are only recorded for those people who's been tracking. There are thousands and thousands of people advertising affiliate offers and their own offers on Advertise.com without tracking. So they're not registering the ones that not tracking. These are only those people who's tracking. Okay, so 8.5 clicks, 605 conversions, And you could use Advertisecom as well. It's one of the great traffic sources. I know one internet marketer who generated multiple 7 and 8 figures using this traffic network. Obviously, he was a very experienced marketer and he knows exactly what you need to do and how to do it. Okay, so you could come here, you could start driving quality amounts of traffic to your affiliate offers using Advertise.com. Another great traffic source is Bidvertiser.com. Okay, I've been talking about Bidvertiser in some of my previous videos as well. It's one of the great traffic sources. It's a PPC network, pay-per-click network, and the good part about this traffic network that it's a cheap traffic source. Okay, you can get started for 5 cents per click. Now, according to my experience, this traffic source works very, very good with CPA offers. Okay, and also it works good with Clickbank offers that is free to paid or $1 trial. So you could test it out. All right, and you could give it a test drive. It's all about testing, it's all about tracking your conversions, etc. Okay, and the good part about this is that they have geo targeting as well, so you could only target the English speaking countries, you could only target the tier 1 countries. It's up to you. Okay, so Bidvertiser.com is a great traffic source. It's a cheap traffic source. You can register your account here, all right, and then just log in and create your first traffic campaign. Another traffic source, Outbrain.com. Outbrain.com is for bloggers. So if you have a blog and you want to monetize your blog, all right, you want to get people to click on banner ads, etc., you could come to Outbrain.com, give them your blog, and they will monetize your traffic. Outbrain.com is another traffic source for people to place native advertising. So I just showed you a website called CNN.com. Some of the images are native ads, and those native ads come from Outbrain.com. So you could have an image ad on these top traffic websites. Okay, so let me just go to a website here and show you something. So if you go to this traffic network, Outbrain, you could place a image ad or a native ad, and they will place it on for you onto these top news websites like CNN, Fox, etc. And they do all the hard work for you. So let's just go here and let's see something. Okay, I'm going to show you something. Okay, so we're here and let's scroll down and look at this. 869.81 million visitors on CNN.com. Look at that. Now just imagine you had a banner, okay? A very, very attractive banner that's attracting customers. Normally people will promote diabetes offers, Clickbank diabetes offers, and weight loss offers on these kind of website, and weight loss is crushing it. You could get a weight loss banner image on Outbrain.com, tell them to deliver it straight to CNN.com, and 869.81 million visitors are visiting CNN.com. Some of those people will click on your banner. Some of those people will also buy the product, and guess who makes the commission? You do. Okay, so it's a great traffic network, Outbrain.com. You could test it out. You could drive a lot of traffic. You could just click on advertise with us, and then you could just contact them and tell them exactly what you're intending to do, and they will start driving some very, very good traffic for you. Okay, another traffic source is called zeropark.com. This is a PPV traffic source. Okay, what is PPV? Pay-per-view traffic. So basically you're bidding on keywords. All right, so if someone types in how to make money online on YouTube, okay, guess what happens? Your ad pops up right in front of him related to make money online. It becomes very, very quality and very, very targeted traffic. Okay, they have domain redirect traffic, push notification traffic, app native traffic, and pop under traffic. Okay, so you could test this out, this traffic. You could find more information if you go to this website, zeropark.com. all right, and they have some very effective ways of advertising. Okay, you can see here they also have cost per click traffic network, cost per view traffic network, pop under traffic network, and domain redirect traffic network. Another traffic source you could test out and you can see is adcash.com. all right, 200 unique users per day. 12.3 million fraudulent traffic was removed. Okay, now remember, fraudulent traffic could only be removed if you track. So you need to have tracking in place. If you're not tracking, you're going to get a lot of bot traffic, fraudulent traffic, and you're not going to get any conversions. Okay, so make sure you create a tracking link in place. Now, if you want to start off with these people, it's very easy. You just register a free account. Okay, create your campaign and take it from there. It's a very medium traffic source. Basically, not that much expensive, and it's affordable. Another traffic source that you could check is hilltopads.com. Okay, now I came across this traffic source, and I see that this traffic source has geo-targeting as well. You could even target device. You could also target so many other stuffs as well. If you just come to this traffic source, they have a lot of information about the traffic source, how the traffic works. I guess it works on bidding. I've never tested this traffic source, so I can't give you a lot more information, but I did come across this traffic source, so I just thought I will share it with my viewers and subscribers. Okay, so giving you some basic ideas on how to use some untapped traffic sources for Clickbank, so you don't just have to stick to Google, Bing, and Facebook, which is and Instagram and Pinterest, what everyone is talking about. These are some untapped traffic sources as well that you could test out, and hopefully you might get some conversion just because people are not promoting Clickbank offers. All right. Another traffic source you could check out is adhit.com. Now, Adhit is more likely for people who has a free offers. Okay, in my opinion, free offers works great with Adhit. So if you've got a free course, you want to get sign-ups to your free course, and you want to provide value, and from providing value you get them to buy, then Adhit is a great traffic source. Other than that, if you're going to promote a paid Clickbank offer, I don't recommend Adhit. Even though Adhit is a very cheap traffic source, you could get traffic for low as 3 cents per click, and you could also target continents. So you could target Europe, you could target the American continent, etc., and you could get so much traffic. So just look at this. You can see this traffic here, that these are the websites that they have inside the network, and this website, okay, look at this, 5.2 million page views per day. This is the one of the networks that they have inside their website. And guess what? You could place the banner here and you could start receiving so much traffic. Now, it's good to build a list, okay? And it's good for free offers. I do not recommend paid offers, okay? Paid affiliate offers. Another part you need to understand that this traffic source is a tier 3 traffic source. That means it's like low to medium quality traffic. So it's not a very super high quality traffic. That's why your conversions will be extremely low if you're going to promote an offer here. The only way to get people to buy your product is to provide value. So get them into something that is absolutely free of charge. It's a free course or a free training. They register, they learn step by step, video by video, and then at the end you could provide some you could put some offer for them because you have provided enough value. So most likely you will get some conversion. So but if you're going to get someone to just click on your page, tell them to subscribe, and then go out there and then promote an affiliate offer to buy, and then if they don't buy, you follow up with them with email without providing any value, you're not going to make any sales, especially with this traffic source, because this traffic source is a low quality to medium traffic source. Okay, so that's all for now.